A breast MRI is an imaging technique that uses magnetic fields instead of radiation to look inside the body. You may be asked to have a breast MRI if you have a family history of breast cancer. A breast MRI may also be useful in developing your treatment plan if you have already been diagnosed with breast cancer.
The Breast Center at Methodist Sugar Land Hospital is the only hospital in Fort Bend County to have the state-of-the-art 3 Tesla MRI. The 3 Tesla MRI provides the highest resolution breast images available, allowing us to better view the breast tissue and determine if a biopsy is necessary.
The 3 Tesla MRI can also be used as a problem-solving tool for questions arising from a complex mammogram or physical exam. In addition, young women who may be genetically predisposed have improved detection of early cancers with a breast MRI.
For more detailed information on breast MRIs, visit our website at methodistsugarland.com and click on the Breast Center.